Yo, what's up everyone? It's 2025 and AI is absolutely everywhere. Ever dreamt of running a YouTube channel without the stress of constant content creation? Yeah, me too. In 2025, AI tools make it easier than ever to create, automate, and monetize your channel. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your existing channel, this video is your guide to unlocking YouTube automation like it's 2025. Let's dive in. Alright, so, you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered YouTube automation? That's awesome. First things first, we need to lay the foundation. And that foundation, my friends, is your niche. This is where you get to decide what your channel is all about, what kind of content you'll be creating, and who you'll be connecting with. Now, you might be thinking, Marquet, choosing a niche sounds kind of stressful. But here's the thing, in 2025 you don't have to do it alone. We've got AI tools like ChatGPT that can help you brainstorm ideas that perfectly match your interests and what the audience is actually looking for. Think of ChatGPT like your AI brainstorming buddy. You can literally ask it anything like, what are the top YouTube niches for 2025? And boom, it'll hit you with a list of hot topics. The key here is to pick a niche that you're genuinely passionate about. Trust me, that passion will shine through in your videos and your audience will feel it. But it's not just about passion. We also want to make sure there's an audience for your niche. Once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to move on to the next step, creating killer scripts. Okay, so we've got our niche locked in. It's time to talk about the meat of your videos, the actual content, the script. Now I know what you might be thinking, scripting. That sounds, well, kind of boring. But trust me, a well-written script is the backbone of a captivating video. It's what keeps your viewers engaged, entertained, and coming back for more. The good news is, you don't have to be Shakespeare to write a killer script. In 2025, we've got AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper that will make your life so much easier. These AI writing assistants are like having a personal scriptwriter on demand. Here's how it works. You feed the AI a topic. Let's say your niche is tech reviews, and you're about to drop some knowledge about the hottest new smartphone. You could tell ChatGPT something like, write a YouTube script for a review of the latest smartphone. And get this, you can even specify the tone and style you're going for. Want it to be funny and relatable? Done. Want it to be super detailed and techy? No problem. ChatGPT can adapt to whatever you throw at it. Alright, so you've got your niche, you've got your script, and now it's time for the really fun part. Turning those words into an actual video. Video editing has always been that one part of content creation that can feel a little intimidating. But guess what? In 2025, we've got AI tools that can help you create professional-looking videos even if you've never touched editing software before. We're talking about platforms like Pictory and InVideo AI that can literally transform your script into a stunning video with just a few clicks. Think about it. You've already done the hard work of writing the script, now let the AI take over and bring it to life visually. You can literally paste your script into these AI video generators and they'll handle the rest. Want some cool B-roll footage to make your video more dynamic? Done. Need some snappy transitions and text animations to keep things interesting? Consider it done. With these AI-powered video creation tools, you can go from script to stunning video in a matter of minutes. Alright, we're getting close. You've got your niche, your script, your video edited and ready to go. Now it's time to talk about something super important. So important that it can literally make or break your video's success: thumbnails. Think about it. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see when they're scrolling through a sea of videos on YouTube. It's like the cover of a book or the poster of a movie. It needs to grab their attention and make them want to click. And you know what? In 2025, you don't need to be a graphic design wizard to create eye-catching thumbnails. We've got AI tools that can help you design thumbnails that pop and stand out from the crowd. Tools like Canva, which you might already be familiar with, have gotten crazy powerful with AI features. You can use Canva's drag and drop editor to create a thumbnail from scratch or choose from their massive library of templates. And the best part? Canva's AI can suggest different layouts, color schemes, and font pairings to make your thumbnail visually appealing. When it comes to designing thumbnails, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Use bold, vibrant colors that pop and clear, easy-to-read text that conveys what your video is about. Alright, so you've poured your heart and soul into creating an amazing video. You've nailed the script, the editing, the thumbnail. everything's looking top-notch. But here's the thing, creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to make sure that your video gets seen by the right people. And that, my friends, is where SEO comes in. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is all about making sure that your video ranks high in YouTube's search results and gets recommended to viewers who are interested in your niche. Now, I know what you might be thinking. SEO, that sounds complicated and time-consuming, but guess what? In 2025, we have AI tools that can do the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about powerful analytics and SEO tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Taja AI. These platforms are like having a personal YouTube strategist in your corner, helping you optimize your videos for maximum visibility and engagement. These AI tools analyze your video's performance, track your rankings, and provide you with actionable insights to improve your SEO game. They can help you identify the best keywords to target, suggest relevant tags to add to your videos, and even track your competitors to see what's working for them. Okay, here's the part you've all been waiting for, monetization. Because let's be real, who doesn't want to get paid for creating awesome content? The good news is, with a little help from AI, turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine has never been easier. First things first, the OG method, YouTube ads. Once you hit that magical milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning ad revenue. And trust me, with AI helping you create killer content and optimize for visibility, reaching those numbers is totally within your reach. But hold up, it gets even better. AI can also help you level up your ad game. There are AI tools out there that analyze your audience demographics, watch time, and other metrics to help you optimize your ad placements and maximize your earnings. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. And guess what? AI can help you find the best affiliate programs and products to promote to your audience. And that's it. With AI tools, creating a YouTube automation channel in 2025 is easier than ever. We've covered everything from brainstorming niche ideas with ChatGPT to creating stunning videos with InVideo, designing eye-catching thumbnails with Canva, Taja AI optimizing for SEO with TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Taja AI, and even monetizing your channel with the help of AI. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistency. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you in the next video.